Hi, and welcome to our channel. We'll start with an overall score of 3 out of 5 stars, the Abask Q40S. At the time of testing, the price was around $60. For securing evidence in case of accidents or vandalism. Strengths: rear view camera included. Good image quality during the day. Wide viewing angle. Simple operation. Weaknesses: night images only satisfactory. The price for the Abask Q40S is currently around $70 US. After all, a rear camera is included in addition to the actual dashcam, and it masters all the important functions, such as loop recording, automatic recording start, in case of vibrations, due to G-sensor and parking mode. The front camera's lens covers a range of 170 degrees. This is comparatively high. Many customers agree on the ease of use and high-quality workmanship of this dashcam. The image quality is also praised in many cases. It should be clear that this cannot be compared with that of expensive compact or SLR cameras. Night pictures are said to be only satisfactory, despite the night vision mode. Pictures are either too bright and over-illuminated due to headlights, or hardly recognizable in the dark. We have all the relevant links for the cameras presented here below if you'd like further information. Our conclusion? Of course, each product has its own strengths and weaknesses. So everyone should decide for themselves what suits you and of course your wallet best. We have linked all the products in the video description for even more details. Have you already decided? Or maybe you have one of these products at home. Then we would be happy if you let us know which device you prefer, and above all, why. I hope that I could help you a little deciding on your purchase. If so, please leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. That would really help us and the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you very soon. Goodbye.